Okay guys, so here is a P1P with the stock LED light, a P1S with the Biqu Panda Lux LED light upgrade, and another P1P with the original LED light. So again, this here is the exact same model, though it is in black, printing with the standard stock P1P LED light. Here is the same model, although it is in silver, on a P1S with the Panda Lux light from Biqu. And over here is a mask on a P1P, again with the standard built-in stock LED light. So at first when I installed the Panda Lux LED light, which replaces the original and goes across the underside of the front cover, I wasn't sold that it was any better. But looking at it in actual use, you can see the difference is pretty dramatic.